Hello students, have you seen this kind of image anywhere? Yes, this is a shadow. Do you know what a shadow is? Shadow is a dark area which is formed by the blockage of light from a light source by an opaque object. That means if light coming from a light source is blocked by an object, then shadow is formed. And the shadow formed is exactly like that object. This shadow can be long and short according to the distance, depending upon the distance from the object and the light source. You must have seen your shadow as well. Let us read a poem which is in your book, My Shadow. So students, here we go. My shadow. Do you know whenever there is light, someone follows you? Have you ever wondered who it is? Yes, of course, now you all know it is our shadow. Let's read and enjoy the poem, My Shadow. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. I have a little shadow. Shadow is, of course, of mine, and it goes in and out with me. Shadow never leaves that object, or my shadow never leaves me. It always be with me whenever I go anywhere, inside or outside. It is always with me. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. And I don't think if there is any use of shadow. The only use is I can see it and nothing else. He is very, very like me from the heels up to the head. And it is exactly like me from heel up to the end. That means it is exactly like me. And I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. And I can see it is jumping before me when I go to bed. It means light source is behind me. That is why my shadow is jumping before me into the bed. So this was the first para of the poem, and let's go to the next paragraph. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. The funniest, the best part, the interesting part of the shadow is that he likes to grow. Growing is awesome. You know, students, it is better to grow everywhere, every time. If something is growing, it is always good. But growing for betterment. So the funniest and most interesting part of the funniest is the superlative degree of funny. We have done comparative, positive, comparative and superlative. These are the 3 degrees of adjectives. So funny is adjective and funny, funnier, funniest. So funniest is the superlative degree of funny. So the funniest or the most interesting part of the shadow is he likes to grow. Growing is the most interesting part of the shadow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. And of course, it grows very fast. It can grow very fast, not like other normal children whose growth is very, very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an India rubber ball. Sometimes it shoots up. It goes very tall. At once it becomes very tall as an Indian rubber ball shoots up. When we throw a ball onto the ground, rubber ball bounce back it goes, it shoots up like anything. In the same way, sometimes we see that our shadow also goes taller and taller in a moment. And he sometimes gets so little that there's none of him at all. And sometimes it becomes very, very little, very, very small, that it looks that it is not nowhere. So, from this paragraph, we get to know that the most interesting part of the shadow is growth. It can grow very fast. It can become very long as well as very short at times. And the growth is also very fast. It is not very slow. So students, growth is always good, and those who are growing, they are the best one. One morning, very early, before the sun, I was up. One morning, the poet of the poem, who is Robert Louis Stevenson, he is the poet of the poem, and the poet got up very early in the morning. Before the sun, I was up. He got up very, very early in the morning. Even the sun has not risen. And before the sunrise, you can see there is darkness everywhere, isn't it? So in the darkness, as you know, students, in darkness, there is no shadow. That was experienced by the poet on that morning when he got up very, very early. I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. You can also experience this thing. These dewdrops can be found early in the morning on the flowers. So he also found shining dew on the buttercup. Buttercup is a type of flower on which he saw shining dews. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepyhead who don't want to get up. It is the adjective which can be used for a person who don't want to get up. He always like to sleep. So he said, my lazy little shadow, who is sleepyhead, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. So at that morning, he found that his shadow was very lazy, and his shadow does not come with him in the early morning in the park or the ground. He saw that he thought that his shadow was very lazy and is still asleep in the bed. So from this poem you can have three ideas. One is the quality of shadow, that is, it can grow, it can found only in light, and it cannot found in darkness. Second thing, growth is always good. And the third thing you can learn from this poem is that you should always grow and you can glow in light. And shadow is the constant companion of a person. So we should not be afraid of it, as we already have done a poem, Don't Be Afraid of the Shadow, isn't it? So this was the poem written by Robert Louis Stevenson.